Hello, dear investors. In System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general information about the company. If you want, you can pause it. You can look at each indicator of the organization in question in detail. Now let's look at the main indicators of the company VIEMED Healthcare Incorporated, ticker VMD. Review based on data as of March 23, 2025. By classification GURU.Markets company VIEMED Healthcare Incorporated belongs to the subcategory Medical Equipment. 95 companies take part in the analysis, which is very representative. We'll look at the order table at the end of this video. The result for the company under study is 8.5 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 2.7 points. If you look broadly, within the market as a whole, we can note that the average score for the entire market in total is 1.9 points. Against the score of 8.5 points for VIEMED Healthcare Inc. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price, VIEMED Healthcare Inc. and subcategory companies, we will see that over the past 12 months the company's shares VIEMED Healthcare Incorporated showed a trend of minus 23%. Against price changes in the subcategory 17.4%. This does not clearly indicate anything, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. Market capitalization of the company VIEMED Healthcare Incorporated is $0.29 billion. With a market capitalization of the subcategory of $539 billion. VIEMED Healthcare Inc. accounts for a share of 0.053%. This is one of the very small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $0.13 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $139 billion. VIEMED Healthcare Inc. constitutes a share of 0.093%. Having made a comparison of the shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we can see the following. Occupied share VIEMED Healthcare Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 0.053%. The book value is 0.093%. This is 75% more than the share of market value. Assessment of the company's share of the market and book value of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under study has financial liabilities of $0.006 billion. Debt to book capitalization is 4.6% of the company's capital. Rating for the company's debt level, very good, 2 points. The balance of the company's market value to its profit is 25.5. The subcategory average of 66.1 is 61% lower than the subcategory average. Assessment of the company's market value to profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $11 million. Future earnings for the coming 12 months are expected to be $17 million. This is 53.5% more than the current figure. Assessment of the predicted future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 1.3. The average in subcategory 4 is 68% lower than the subcategory average. Assessment of the indicators of the exchange price to its revenue in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $220 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $340 million. This is 55% more than now. Assessment of the estimated future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Good, 1 point. The sales margin is 5%, with an average for the subcategory of 6%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 1%. Assessment of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Tolerable, 0 points. The company's share by number of personnel by subcategory is 0.312%. This is a 489% increase in market capitalization share. And this fact reflects the imbalance in the market value of the organization VIEMED HEALTHCARE Inc., probably towards underestimation. The amount of capital for each employee of the company is equal to $243,000, whereas in the subcategory $1,425,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 82.9%. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit for each employee of the company is $9.5 thousand. The average in the subcategory is $21.6 thousand. And the difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 56%. Assessment of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Tolerable, 0 points. The share of revenue per company employee is $190,000. In the subcategory $360,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 89%. Assessment of sales per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory Tolerable, 0 points. The volume of sales transactions corresponds to 1%, with an average for the subcategory of 2%. This is a short squeeze indicator. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 36% for the company VIEMED HEALTHCARE Inc. For the subcategory, this level is approximately 47%. On average, shares in the subcategory are valued higher than VIEMED HEALTHCARE Inc. The company's current stock price is approximately $7.23. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $12.82. The dynamics of the current price and consensus forecast are approximately 77%. Let's look at the table of orders. It is available to you. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains everything in a given season decisions by an information and reference evaluation System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of the company's shares VIEMED HEALTHCARE Inc. Information and reference System.GURU.Markets, the following decision was made. Open a buy deal at a price of $7.24 per share. The order is open because the company has a fairly high rating. The organization's assessment was made using the assessment method, the VIEMED index. Take profit is set at 8.01. Stop loss is set at 6.47. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is closed automatically at the end of trading on April 22, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker NPCE will be a balancing sell order. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on the channel. When closing one of the orders, basic or balancing, the second order is closed at the actual price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the help System.GURU.Markets. You are the coolest crowd in the whole world.